love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it.
Hello there, Pierre Bay here. Thank you very much for tuning in. I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. I am so grateful for you guys. I appreciate it. I know this is still a small channel, but little by little, one by one, we're gonna get there, and I'm very, very grateful for you. So this video is about a 2006 Ford Freestyle. So this Ford had overcharging issues. The customer called me and said that the car has the battery light in the instrument cluster, and then at times the car would die. So while idling, the engine would decide to just shut off, and all this was intermittent, and it would do it while you're driving it as well, intermittently. So I received the call. He said that he already replaced 2 alternators he bought on Amazon for this particular vehicle to solve the issue, and the issue would resurface. So I went there, checked the voltage in the charging system just off the battery terminals, positive and negative, and I was getting a peak of 24 volt. I know for a 12 volt system this is overcharging, and the system is going to shut down because it is a peak in voltage. So what I did not go ahead and replace the alternator because he already replaced 2 of them previously. So I went on eBay and bought the regulator for it. It was under $30. I think it was $29.84, something like that, if I'm exact. So I replaced the regulator. I removed the back cover in the alternator, and that's all I replaced in the car was back to normal. So it looks like this is common for certain Ford models, but on this one I didn't have to buy a $300 alternator to get this job done. I just bought the regulator because this is what regulates the voltage, and it's inside the alternator itself. So if you run into issues like this, you're gonna have, of course, the battery light on in the instrument cluster, and if you have intermittent shut off of the engine, then you know that you might have a regulator issue inside the alternator, and you can remove the back cover and get this done yourself. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I know it's not as long as the other videos, but I just wanted to get this out there. And then if you like this, like, comment, and also share it with somebody that you think it might be helpful to. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.